What do you look for when picking like NFT projects, so either personal or I don't know if you do if
Hmm.
you sell these as well, sell like buy to sell as well. So what do you
Hmm.
look for? Is there criteria you have?
Um, I I do judge the art and whether I think the art is cute or I like the art. And if the art speaks to me, I look into the community. I look into like, who is involved, like who is their founder, who are their designers,
Mm,
who's in marketing, and what are they? I look on their Twitter accounts and I'm like, what are they into? I join Discords to get a sense of what the community is like, if there's any activity at all, because I feel like Discord groups are so lively with NFT communities. There are some that are really foster a sense of community, and then some that don't. So Alpha Girl Club, for example, and I'm mentioning them a lot because they're just amazing. But they have like Twitter spaces where it's like they do mental health Twitter spaces and sound healing and yeah, a community where people just meet each other and just talk. I feel like I look for community for sure. And then there's a couple NFT projects where I look for the flipping opportunity to see if I have enough money to like partake, but I do follow NFT projects for a while to look who's in the space, look who's in the group. I don't just like buy something without knowing like a little bit about the community first. So community is great to me. Who's involved, like who's in the projects, yeah, and how those leaders interact with their community members with Discord or with Twitter, if they feel like real human beings or not.
yeah, yeah, because I feel
Yeah.
like from an outside perspective, it's like, oh, you just look at the art and you buy what you like, but really,
Hmm.
it's like you gotta look more into that.
Yeah, for sure. And community is like super important to me because I feel like a lot of these NFT photos, you look at the art and you question whether or not it's really art, right? But people are not buying for the art, they're buying for other things, whether it's entry
Mm,
into the community or
mm,
whether it's a utility. Gary Vee, for example, like
mm.
he has his NFTs and the art is like, I think he draws it himself.
Like just doodles. Yeah, I'm on this Discord and list
Okay.
watching V Friends as well.
Yeah. And so I think that when you buy his NFTs, depending on maybe what the NFT is, you get like access to his conference for 3 years or something like that.
Yeah.
And then there are other NFT projects where if you buy their NFTs, you get access to their events. You get access tickets pretty much to the things that they're going to be doing in the future. So people will buy for like utility pretty much. Like,
Yeah.
what can I do with this NFT? What is it granting me? And I don't think that there's a right or wrong way to buy NFTs. If you want to buy an NFT just because you love the art, then go freaking buy it. If you want to buy it because you're trying to get concert tickets, then buy it because you're trying to get concert tickets. But every project's going to be different. And I don't think that there's a right and wrong way to partake in buying NFTs. So I think everything's going to be a little bit different for me.
Yeah, you just reminded me because